To get started with your PowerDMARC account, there are a few steps required from you as the end user. The first step begins at a Setup Wizard page where you'll need to input your company's domain. So for example, let's take this domain on our screen as our company's domain. Once that's in place, click on Next. The second step will now have the system guide you on how to configure your DMARC record, which will then be published onto your DNS. This will allow your account to gather the DMARC reports that are needed. Now the default settings have been applied to the DMARC record as the system is considering your domain to be new and is simply following the best practices. There are several tags as you can see from the screen, and each tag plays its vital role. You can read more about the tags by hovering over the icon information to get a more detailed explanation to each tag. Once you've set up the configuration for each tag, you'll need to click on the Next button. On this page, you'll be able to select the type of DMARC record you'd like to publish onto your DNS. Now, there are two options on this page. One is the hosted DMARC record, and one is the TXT record. And the difference being is, with a hosted DMARC record, it is a CNAME record type that allows you to publish a record and do all the changes within your PowerDMARC account. Or you can opt for the TXT approach, which is the traditional way of doing the changes. You'll have to do all the changes within your DNS itself. To make things easier, you can do an automatic publish to the records onto your DNS by clicking on the Publish DNS record over here. This will allow you to integrate or log into your DNS and have the record published automatically.